In our last lesson, we looked at a constant radius fillet. In this lesson, we're going to create a variable radius fillet. Let's start with clicking on the Fillet tool. Select Variable Radius this time. Now, let's select our edges. We'll choose Full Preview. Here we have our variable radius parameters with a few important control fields. This field sets the number of control points per edge. Let's leave it at 2. Here you can see 2 points. Let's insert a radius value of 2. On this one, we'll put 10. Double click again. Here we'll put 5. Double click here, let's say 0. Let's accept these changes. Now we have our fillet. Okay, let's change it a little. Right-click on the Fillet feature and choose Edit Fillet. We can see now the Property Manager looks a little different. Let's select Edge 2. The control points are highlighted, you can see that. Let's click on these control points and enter a value here. Let's say 2. Press Enter. Okay, here we'll enter a value of, let's say 25. Press Enter again. Here again, we'll enter the number 2. Let's accept these changes. And you can see now our fillet looks very different. Let's edit the fillet again. This time, I'll grab the control point and drag it to right about here. Press Accept, and you see how our fillet has changed again. Click Edit. Here you can choose between a smooth and a straight transition. You can also click on the fillet to change its value. Double click, I should say. Here we'll put 20 and regenerate it. Oh, you see I got a warning message now because I accidentally put in 2000. Okay, let's enter the correct value and regenerate it again. Let's modify it again. How about 15? Click Regenerate and accept it. And this concludes our review of the Fillet tool with a variable radius.